Here's how to build a website in YourWare with AI in just 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and type my prompt in here. Today I'm gonna build a portfolio, and I want a clean minimal portfolio to showcase design work with sections. So I'm gonna put this, and what this tool does is it allows you to update a website design just using simple text prompts, and the AI will design it. It's all about that vibe coding now, so I don't have to know any code. It will just do the design for me. So after doing that, you can see the AI is thinking, and I can see its progress and what it's actually doing, which is cool. And the UI is also clean. You can actually make it full screen to see the website there, and I can see the chat on the right hand side. In just 60 seconds, I got a website. It's pretty simple, pretty basic, but it's got all the sections that I need. The contact, it's got a form, which is great. I can type in that. That's super cool. Got the icons. It even has little hover effects, which is actually really nice. And what else? Do these have hovers? If I click on this, so the buttons work, but obviously the pages aren't connected or anything. So let's go ahead and describe and just change it up. Maybe you want a dark mode. And also you can actually add a reference image. So what I'm going to do is go to my downloads folder and upload this image here, and then I'm gonna say make it dark mode with rounded corners, use dark grays and light gray for contrast. And we can also say use a sans serif font that has more style to it, and let's put that through and let's see what the AI is going to do. All right, cool. Now you can see the text is changed. It's updated the colors. It's updated the font, which is nice. It's made it dark mode, so it's using the dark gray cards now. Black background, about me. Now, let's say we want to edit something specific. What we can do is click on the select button, and I can click on any div or any section of the text, as you can see. For example, if I select this, I can say change to book a call. I can press enter, and it will go ahead and do that task. So you can give it multiple tasks. Once it does that, it will edit the code for you. And you can see text is changed there. I'm going to go ahead and change the nav bar as well. And let's just say I want to go add my logo. So I'll go logo, and I'm going to add this one. And I'm going to say add my logo and remove the word designer. And we'll do that. Cool. As you can see, out of my logo, it is not centered. I should have said make it vertically aligned. But let's actually add some images as well. So I'm going to go images, and let's just say place all images with these ones. Place all images on the site with these ones. I'm going to make them align, make it align with my logo. Let's go change the brand to orange. Paragraph can stay light gray. Cool. So I've given it all these instructions, and I'm going to click enter, and it's going to go ahead and make those changes really quick. So now we can see the final design here. Loving that, showing some of my design work and change the colors. Super cool. All we've got to do is now is just go top right, click publish, and we've got the public link. You can make it private, and I'm going to click on it. Then we've got should have a fresh landing page just like this. Cool. And there we go. We just made a website in a few minutes, and I think it's really cool. If you want to try out YourWare, I'll put a link in the description below. Give it a go. It's all about just getting a website up and running very fast. You can upload images. You can publish it within a few seconds without even having a domain. I think it's pretty cool. Give it a go and let me know how you like it. If you want to see some website resources for designers, then check out this video right here.